Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you sip that refreshing glass of lemon water first thing in the morning? It's a ritual that's become incredibly popular, but what's the real story behind it? Picture this. Before you even think about coffee or breakfast, you start your day with a simple glass of warm lemon water. It's easy, it's quick, and it's something anyone can do. No fancy equipment or expensive ingredients required. From Hollywood celebrities to wellness influencers and everyday people just like you and me, everyone seems to be raving about the benefits of this simple morning habit. Social media is full of glowing testimonials and beautiful photos of lemon water routines. But let's be honest, does lemon water really live up to the hype? Is it truly a miracle tonic that can transform your health? Or is it just another fleeting wellness trend that sounds good but doesn't deliver? I'm here to break down the science and separate fact from fiction. We'll look at what research actually says about lemon water and whether it deserves a spot in your morning routine. As a doctor, I'm all about the facts, not just trends or hearsay. I want you to have the real information so you can make the best choices for your health. So let's slice through the juicy claims, squeeze out the myths, and get to the science-backed truth about what lemon water can actually do for you. Get ready to discover 7 surprising benefits of morning lemon water, some of which might just change the way you start your day forever. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful morning rituals, starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This easy habit can truly jumpstart your digestive system and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Imagine the gentle aroma of fresh lemon filling your kitchen as you squeeze the juice into a glass of warm water. It's like a natural wake-up call for your body and mind. That warm, citrusy drink acts like a gentle nudge to your digestive system, signaling your stomach to get ready for the day ahead. The warmth of the water helps to relax your digestive tract, while the lemon's natural acidity encourages your stomach to produce digestive juices. This combination can help your body process food more efficiently throughout the day, making it easier to absorb nutrients and avoid discomfort. The citric acid in lemons closely mimics your stomach's own natural acids, which means it can help balance your digestive environment. If you often experience bloating, sluggishness, or that heavy feeling after meals, lemon water might be just what you need. It can help break down food more effectively, reduce indigestion, and even support your liver in flushing out toxins. Here's a pro tip. For the best results, drink your lemon water warm and make it the very first thing you do in the morning, before you eat anything else. This gives your digestive system a head start and maximizes the benefits. Simply squeeze half a fresh lemon into a cup of warm, not hot water, and sip it slowly. After you finish your lemon water, try to wait about 15 to 30 minutes before having breakfast. This short pause allows your body to fully absorb the nutrients and gives your digestive system time to activate. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the morning. Give it a try for a week, and you might be surprised by how much lighter, more energized, and refreshed you feel each morning. Sometimes the simplest habits can have the biggest impact. Most of us don't drink enough water, but lemon water makes hydration easier and tastier. The refreshing taste encourages you to drink more, naturally boosting your water intake. When you're hydrated, your skin glows, your energy rises, and your brain works better. Bonus lemons are a natural source of electrolytes, helping regulate fluid balance, especially after a workout. Try adding a pinch of Himalayan salt for an extra electrolyte boost. Detox is a buzzword, but your liver is the real detox powerhouse. Lemon water won't magically detox you, but it can support your liver's natural processes. The citric acid in lemons stimulates liver enzymes and increases bile flow, helping break down fats and flush out waste. Lemons also contain D-limonene and vitamin C, which support liver health. For maximum benefit, use fresh, organic lemons and add a bit of peel for extra D-limonene. Give your liver a gentle nudge every morning. A strong immune system is more important than ever, and vitamin C-packed lemons help support it. Vitamin C boosts white blood cell production, your body's first line of defense. Antioxidants in lemon water protect your cells from free radical damage. Immunity hack. Add a teaspoon of raw honey and fresh ginger for extra antibacterial and anti-inflammatory power. This trio makes a delicious, immune-boosting drink for any morning. Want glowing skin? Hydration is key, and lemon water delivers. Vitamin C in lemons is crucial for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Antioxidants fight free radical damage, helping prevent wrinkles and age spots. Combine lemon water with a diet rich in fruits, veggies, and healthy fats for best results. Your skin will thank you. Kidney stones are painful, but citric acid in lemons can help prevent them. Citric acid binds to calcium in urine, reducing the risk of stone formation. It also increases urine volume, flushing out stone-forming substances. Some studies suggest regular lemon water may help prevent recurrence in those prone to stones. Always consult your doctor if you have kidney concerns, but lemon water is a simple way to support kidney health. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy, fueling everything from breathing to moving. Keeping your metabolism running efficiently is key for overall health, and one simple way to support it is by staying hydrated. Lemon water, with its refreshing taste and vitamin C boost, can make drinking water more enjoyable, encouraging you to sip throughout the day. When you start your morning with a glass of lemon water, you're not just waking up your senses, you're also giving your metabolism a gentle nudge to get going. Dehydration can slow your metabolic rate, making it harder for your body to burn calories efficiently. Drinking water before meals has been shown to help you feel fuller, which can naturally lead to eating less and making healthier choices. Adding lemon to your water not only adds flavor but may also help curb cravings for sugary drinks. This simple habit can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey, especially when paired with mindful eating and regular physical activity. Beyond hydration, lemons contain unique plant compounds called polyphenols. Some research suggests these polyphenols may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more efficiently and potentially reducing fat accumulation. While more studies are needed, these findings are promising for those looking to support healthy blood sugar levels and metabolism. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage and supporting your immune system. It's important to remember that lemon water isn't a magic weight loss potion. However, it can be a helpful tool when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other healthy habits. Think of it as a small, positive step that fits into a bigger picture of wellness. Whether you're starting your day, fueling up before a workout, or simply looking for a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks, lemon water can be a smart addition to your routine. Building sustainable habits is what truly matters for long-term health and weight management. Small changes like swapping out soda for lemon water or making hydration a priority can add up over time and make a real difference in how you feel. So, consider adding lemon water to your daily routine for a gentle metabolism boost and a refreshing start to your day. Every small step you take brings you closer to your health goals, one sip at a time. There you have it, 7 surprising benefits of starting your day with lemon water. It's not about drastic changes, but small, sustainable habits. Lemon water is easy, affordable, and packed with potential health perks. Try it for a week and see how you feel. You might be surprised by the positive changes.